Hey everyone, Matt from Irish Scape Travels here. Are you dreaming of cobblestone streets, delicious pastries and epic historical sites? Planning a trip to Europe? Whether you're backpacking through the Irish countryside or enjoying a cozy city break in Paris, these 5 items completely change the way I travel. We're talking about packing lighter, smarter, and saying goodbye to travel stress. Trust me, after years of exploring Europe, I've learned a thing or two about what to bring and what to leave behind. Let's dive into the essentials that made my adventures smoother, lighter, and stress-free. Let's be honest, who loves digging through a messy bag trying to find a clean pair of socks? Not me. That's where packing cubes come in. These simple organizers might seem like a small thing, but trust me, they're a total game changer. Imagine this. You open your suitcase and instead of a jumbled mess, everything is neatly organized in its own little cube. I use different colored cubes for different categories. Clothes, accessories, toiletries, you name it. It makes packing and unpacking an absolute breeze, especially if you're moving between different cities or accommodations. No more rummaging or repacking your entire bag every time you need something. And here's a little bonus tip: roll your clothes instead of folding them. Not only does this save even more space, but it also helps prevent wrinkles. You can thank me later. We've all been there. You arrive at your hotel, exhausted from a long flight, only to realize your plug doesn't fit the socket. Cue the frantic search for an adapter, but fear not, my friends, because the universal adapter is here to save the day. This compact little gadget is like having a key to every electrical outlet in Europe. From the rolling hills of Ireland to the bustling streets of Rome, this adapter has never let me down. It's compatible with various plug types, so you don't need to worry about carrying multiple adapters for different countries. And the best part, it usually comes with multiple USB ports, so you can charge your phone, camera, and other devices simultaneously. Just a quick pro tip: always check the voltage compatibility for your electronics before you plug them in. Better safe than sorry, right? Exploring all those incredible European cities can be thirsty work, and while buying bottled water might seem convenient, it's not exactly great for your wallet or the environment. That's why I never travel without my trusty collapsible water bottle. This little wonder is lightweight, easy to pack when empty, and it's become my go-to solution for staying hydrated on the go. Many cities in Europe have public fountains with perfectly safe and drinkable water. Just fill up your bottle and you're good to go. It's amazing how such a simple thing can make such a big difference. You'll save money, reduce plastic waste, and stay hydrated all at the same time. It's a win-win-win. Picture this. You're lost in the enchanting streets of Prague, your phone is about to die, and you haven't downloaded the map of your new destination. We've all been there, and it's not a fun situation to be in, but don't worry, I've got your back. A portable power bank is an absolute must-have for any traveler. It's like having a backup battery for your phone, camera, or any other device that tends to run out of juice at the most inconvenient times. Choose a lightweight power bank with at least 10,000 mAh, and you'll be able to charge your phone multiple times before needing to recharge the power bank itself. Trust me, this little lifesaver will give you peace of mind and ensure you never miss a photo opportunity or a chance to navigate with ease. When it comes to exploring bustling European cities, safety and convenience are paramount. That's why I never leave my hotel without my trusty small crossbody bag. This compact bag is the perfect size for carrying all my essentials: phone, wallet, passport, sunglasses. And because it's worn across the body, it keeps everything secure and within easy reach. Look for a bag with anti-theft features like slash-proof straps and RFID blocking technology to protect your personal information from electronic theft. It's amazing how much peace of mind a little security can bring. Plus, let's be honest, a stylish crossbody bag can really complete your travel look. So, there you have it, 5 travel essentials that have made my European adventures so much easier and more enjoyable. From staying organized to staying connected, these items have become my trusty companions on countless trips. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite travel essential? The one thing you never leave home without when exploring Europe. Share your tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration, tips and adventures from Irish Scape Travels. Until next time, happy travels.